Looking to upgrade your car's stereo without the hassle? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit lets you install a new aftermarket stereo right in your factory dash location. It's designed to fit double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, ensuring your new unit looks like it belongs there. What sets this dash kit apart is its precision engineering. The gapless fit between the dash and the kit means no awkward spaces or mismatched edges. Plus, the color and texture perfectly match your factory dash, so the upgrade feels seamless and professional, not like an aftermarket add-on. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. Clear, step-by-step instructions come with the kit, making it accessible even if you're not a seasoned installer. You can expect a clean, solid fit without spending hours or hiring a pro. Scosche isn't new to this game. With over 40 years of experience producing high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories, they know exactly what drivers want. Their dash kits, wiring harnesses, adapters, and installation cables are built to meet tough standards, so you get reliability and performance every time. What really gives you peace of mind is Scosche's commitment to support. Every purchase comes with lifetime tech support, meaning their expert team is just a call or email away for any questions or troubleshooting. On top of that, all their 12 volts installation accessories carry a limited lifetime warranty, underscoring their confidence in product durability. One satisfied customer shared how the dash kit for a 2004 Pontiac GTO fit perfectly and looked great. While some adjustments were needed to level the head unit, the end result was a clean, factory-like finish. This kind of real-world feedback highlights the kit's quality and fitment accuracy. If you're ready to replace your factory stereo with a sleek, modern double DIN unit, this Scosche dash kit is worth a look. It combines precise fit, easy installation, and unmatched support to make your upgrade smooth and satisfying. Try the Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit when you're ready to transform your car's audio setup. With its perfect fit, factory-matched finish, and lifetime backing, it's the smart choice for anyone serious about their vehicle's sound system.